Mahmoud Darwish, known as the national poet of Palestine, was a great friend of our Faiz Sahib, and the two of them championed the cause of freedom and justice. Our next performance on Think of Others by Darwish is dedicated to the spirit and courage of the children of Palestine.
As you prepare your breakfast, think of others. Don't forget to feed the pigeons. As you conduct your wars, think of others. Don't forget those who want peace. As you pay your water bill, think of others. Think of those who have only the clouds to drink from. As you go home, your own home, think of others. Don't forget those who live in tents. As you sleep and count the stars, think of others. There are people who have no place to sleep. As you liberate yourself with metaphors, think of others. Those who have lost their right to speak. And as you think of distant others, think of yourself and say, I wish I were a candle in the darkness.